friends, it's Miss Paula with today's art activity. Today we are making hippos, and we are calling ours baby Fiona. I don't know if you've heard of the baby hippo born in Cincinnati at the Cincinnati Zoo, but she became quite popular and she's growing now. She's not really a baby anymore, but we named our hippos after Fiona. So what you will need is your glue, 2 paper plates, 2 ears, and you can cut those from paper, construction paper. If you have gray construction paper, that would work well. I used paper plates. Of course, you need your scissors, 4 cotton balls, a black pen or marker, 2 white ovals or circles for your eyes, then 2 white smaller black circles for the pupils. And this is kind of like 2 almond shapes that I'm using for the nose in the black paper. Okay, and we used paint at school. You can use gray and pink paint. I don't have paint very handy right here at home, and it takes longer to dry and finish it. So I am going to make a white hippo today, and I will show you my gray one from school. And for the mouth, I'm just going to use a highlighter for right now. So you can use gray and pink markers, or you can pull out the paint and use gray paint, pink paint. That is up to you. Okay, the first thing we need to do is we'll glue our ears on. Okay, it just takes a little dab of glue. I'll put that on the front of the ear and then stick the ear to the back of the plate. Just press it on there and make sure it sticks. Then I'll put the other ear on. Oh, I put that on the wrong side. Okay. Okay, now we have 2 ears. The next thing you want to do is take your second paper plate and you're going to fold it in half. Okay, and you can crease it. And you will take one side and put glue all over it. And you're just going to stick that to the full-size paper plate. And this is how we will make a mouth for a hippo. Okay, you'll just stick that to the bottom of your paper plate. Your ears are on the top. And it'll open up like this, so that whole bottom section's the mouth. You have to press down on it and make sure it sticks really well. I have to apologize, my allergies are still really bothering me. Alright, just press down all around it and make sure it seals. Give your ears another little press to make sure they stay on. Alright, and there's what we have so far. You can see the mouth. Alright, next, if you're painting, I suggested starting with the pink paint, and we will take the folded part of the plate and just fold it back, and you'll paint the whole inside of that pink. Since I am using a Sharpie, I'm only going to worry about the lower half right now and just color it pink. Now, obviously mine's going to be very fast, just to give you an idea. So take a little more time and make yours completely colored or painted. because it'll make it look a whole lot better. Okay, so there's what we have so far. Like I said, take time, make it pink, and do this upper part too, and it'll look a lot nicer. Alright, after you finish painting the inside of it, you'll fold that half back down, that's your mouth, and then take your gray paint or gray markers and you will color the nose and the face of the hippo, and don't forget your ears, okay? Now, once that's done, the white eyes aren't going to show up too well on the white hippo that I'm making. But you'll take your white and you'll put your eyes on. The white part of the eyes, and then you'll take the little black circles and put those in. Okay. And then go ahead and put your nose pieces on, or the nostrils. I'm going to put them the other way. And then after you get that, you can take your marker, your black marker. You might need to keep pressing down on that. Just make sure it all sticks. Ours did pretty well staying together. And we painted them while they were still wet, so if you line everything up, it does really well. And it works. Okay, here's what we have so far. And like I said, it shows up better on the gray. But now we're going to make some little dots where the whiskers would be. On the sides of the face. And the last thing you have to do is glue your cotton balls in, and you want to do, we just did 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom of the mouth. And I actually gently pulled the cotton balls apart to make them a little bit bigger. Hippos have pretty big teeth. And some people use marshmallows to do the teeth, which is also cute. Like I said, we're using cotton balls today. Come on, glue. Okay, you just put a few dabs of glue on there, and you'll stick 2 to the top of the plate. Fluff it. Keep it round like kind of like a tooth. Here's number 2. Oh, these really need to be fluffed. They don't really look like teeth. Alright, tooth number 3. And then the last one. We're almost done. Little bit of glue, and then put that tooth there. Okay. Now, I'll show you this one. Now, you might want to, well, no, that's all right. Okay. And here is what we have. This is what the white hippo looks like. And there are actually white hippos, but they're a lot cuter and show up better if you do a gray one. And then, this is what the gray one looks like, which is what we did at school. And you open it up and you can see its mouth. And let me try to scoot up a little bit so you can see it a little bit better. Here's the gray one. And then when you open his mouth up, there's, you see his teeth. Okay, and then here's the white one. If you do decide to do white or don't have paint or gray markers, you can still make one. Like I said, spend a little more time on the inside, and if you do a white one, maybe put a little black around the eyes to outline them so they show up a little better. And as always, the supply and finished pics will be in the comments below the Facebook post. If you're following on YouTube, I can't put the pictures in there, but this is what the finished project looks like, and you had your list of supplies in the video. So, this is our baby hippo, Fiona. She's not really a baby anymore, but she's still pretty cute. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Bye.